Are you looking for the best mini drones? In this video we will look at some of the best mini drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, DJI Mini4 Mini Drone. As long as you're okay without the absolute best image quality a DJI Mini drone can offer, the DJI Mini4 is a solid choice. It provides an excellent balance between quality and value, and it beats cost-equivalent non-DJI Mini drones for performance with its superior camera and features. The lens is a wide-angle 24mm full-frame equivalent with an f/2.8 aperture, and the camera delivers images and video that will satisfy most looking for a drone in this price range. In addition to weighing less than 250 grams, it has pocket-sized dimensions when folded down. It's also an excellent mini drone for beginners with its superb automated flight paths, level 5 wind resistance, and return to home function. DJI manufactures the best pocket drones. While the DJI Mini4 doesn't quite match the image quality that more premium DJIs offer, it does provide an excellent balance between affordability and quality. The 2.7K video and 12MP stills are good enough for most people, while it also beats the far weight threshold, folds down to pocket-sized dimensions, and has excellent battery life. Number 2, Fimy X8 Mini V2 Mini Drone. If you're looking for a mini drone that's more affordable than DJI models, or the lack of 4K video on the Mini4 doesn't float your boat, consider the Fimy X8 Mini V2. You can shoot bright and smooth 4K video at frame rates of up to 30 FPS, and it's also capable of decent 12MP stills. The 3-axis gimbal stabilizes video well, and the drone has a level 5, 38 kph, wind resistance. And, if it gets too breezy, the return to home function is accurate. Video transmission is up to 9 km, but there's no obstacle avoidance system, so it might be better to fly in wide open spaces until you are piloting with more confidence. An alternative option to the DJI Mini4 is the X8 Mini V2 from Fimy. Its biggest selling point at this price is its 4K video capability. You can shoot satisfyingly detailed videos and good quality stills without breaking the bank. In addition, the 3-axis gimbal and level 5 wind resistance make it a good choice for recording video in breezy conditions. Number 3, Ryze Tello Mini Drone. The tiny Ryze Tello is a collaboration between Ryze and DJI. It weighs just 80 grams with the battery and folds down to pocket-sized dimensions. It's perfect for travel, and its budget price tag and easy-to-fly nature make it the ideal pick for kids and novices. You can develop your flying skills without the fear of damaging pricey equipment, and you can also practice your photography and videography skills. You'll unlikely have photos featured on the cover of magazines, but image quality is acceptable for a drone in this price range. You'll get the best images in well-lit conditions and when utilizing the IS to compensate for the lack of a gimbal. An ideal choice for beginners in the world of drone flying is the Ryze Tello. It's a good shout for practicing flips, tricks, and navigation, and also affordable enough to reduce damage-related anxiety. The camera won't deliver award-winning images, but it will help you to practice your photo and video capturing skills. Number 4, DJI Mini4 Pro Mini Drone. The DJI Mini4 Pro is an improvement on the already excellent Mini3 Pro. While the still image quality remains the same, you can now shoot 4K video at up to 100 FPS, 60 FPS in HDR, for better slow-motion videos. The obstacle avoidance system has also been upgraded to an Active Track 360 omnidirectional system. This update is perhaps the most significant upgrade and is a good reason why beginners shouldn't shy away from splashing out on this premium mini drone. Flight time is good at 34 minutes, or you can purchase the Fly More combo pack with the DJI RC2 and 2 extra batteries, or the Fly More combo plus for a total of 2 hours and 15 minutes of flight time. The DJI Mini4 Pro succeeds the Mini4 Pro and replaces it as the king of cameras in the mini drone market. It remains an excellent choice for both entry-level and seasoned pilots, thanks to significant upgrades, such as its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and 4K at 100 fps, 60 fps in HDR, video captures. Number 5. EMAX Tiny Hawk 2 Mini Drone. This little quadcopter is good value for anyone looking for a well-priced, entry-level FPV racing drone. It features the excellent RunCam Nano 2 camera that transmits a clear and crisp picture back to the included FPV goggles for a fun flight experience. Coupled with a powerful 16,000 kV motor, the EMAX Tiny Hawk 2 is a significant improvement on its popular predecessor. The throttle response ladder system adds another layer to the fun. The brightness increases as you hit the gas, giving more energy to your drone races.